Sanibonani ndibelani option. Hi, welcome to Tumi City elishisa pe asikhulumeni ngesigaqa sakwa uThando Nesithembu. One thing that we were not expecting is what Umseleku did on Thursday night when he told the wives ukuthi yazini njengoba nazi ukuthi bengigula angikwazanga ukuthengela uMaqele umuzi, so lendlu enhleli kuyona kumanje indlu yakaMaqele, and the wives were like, what? The shock in their faces, they were in so much disbelief. Maqele's face, you couldn't tell ukuthi ujabulile noma she is shocked noma what. As Maqele, she was so indifferent. Like, it was giving confused. Like, I was so confused, I don't want to lie. When I first saw that clip on Thursday night, I thought to myself, it's giving content, it's giving Ghost Ruby vibes. But anyway, when people spoke about that, people on social media were like, hey, you're like jealous, hey, cleanse your heart, those type of vibes. And it's not about cleansing our heart, but it's about reading the room, you know. The way Maqele's reaction was not giving, and the fact that Khumalo even said, hi phela mina bengazi ukuthi lo muzi belongs to the Selegu family. And ngoba mina I know the previous owners. For me, it felt like uyabaphikisa. I don't know, maybe I'm the one ofile kanjalo, but mina, for me, it feels like from when I mean, my friend did not mention that. I mean, I even thought maybe they just renting it, but I saw a video in that kitchen, and that's when I was convinced it was very shuthi vele le yandlu yaka Maqele, because as you can see, Maqele was not happy. Maqele was like, hey, anyways, the part where everyone left and then Maqele was drinking that water, it was giving the river. It was giving Lindiwe from the river. Like, for me, that's why I just felt like it was on an X. Not that I don't believe Uguti Mriake, but it's just the vibes were not giving. It was not giving reality TV. It was giving dramatic TV, because there are certain things that when they happened on Uthando Nesithembu, it's giving, is this even real? Like, sometimes I question how real it is, because we know there's a celebrity that I would never mention for laws and types of vibes, you know, for isn't Zama courts and stuff. She mentioned the fact that when it comes to reality TV, it's scripted. Yes, it might be real and stuff, but it is scripted. So every time I'm watching it, I'm like, is it even real? So sometimes it makes us wonder, is every reality TV scripted, or there's other reality TVs that are just real? Because it doesn't make sense. Because I feel like sometimes, even though it's a reality TV, it's very scripted because of the order that the incidents happen. A sequencing Yama episode, you can tell okay, it's a continuation of that storyline, you know. I feel like there's always a storyline, but okay, this season we are going to focus on Umaqele. Probably I might be wrong, because if it's a reality TV, one thing she might have to say was props to them Selegu family. I don't know what is what in deserving, because I mean, you all are not acting, this is your reality. Like, ukuthi nje impilo yenu nje idinga ashwaganda eserious, because what the hell? I mean, imagine that being someone's reality, like, ashwaganda. And unfortunately for Khumalo, she didn't feel the need to congratulate uMaqele ngendlu yakhe, because at the end of the day, uMaqele didn't greet her when they met. So she was like, I'm gonna save myself the energy, because it's rather not to congratulate someone than to pretend. But one thing I have to say, Khumalo is married to a man that doesn't love her. At this point, it's not giving love, it's giving hate. I mean, that woman is doing everything in her power to make sure I have a structure, I have Indlu that I've started from scratch, probably. I don't know, but yeah, maybe she started from scratch. She's doing things on her own. And then Umseleku visits Khumalo's house, sees the interior, the vibes, and then Sekathengele uMaqele a house that is similar to Indlu yaka Khumalo, and yaka Maqele is fully furnished. You get it? How is Khumalo supposed to feel? That was said. Like, if it's a real thing, I mean, it's sad for Khumalo right now, because imagine when busy, awulali uyasebenza, busy uyaphanta, uzama ukuthi uhlanganise izinto, and then there's a wife who is just sitting there, and then is like, you know what, when I'm gonna give you the world just because you respect, and you expect ukuthi uMakhumalo afile kanjani because you bought the others izindlu, but uMakhumalo was like, okay, fine, bathengelile izindlu zinhle, but they are not at her level. But when you were like, yazini, funa ukubonisa ukuthi yabo mina mangithi into ngiyayenza, and then you buy a house for uMacele that is at the level. And another thing, I'm like, I know ukuthi obviously maybe CPAC by right now because they shoot izinto maybe 6 months back, and then they give us those episodes probably after a year of shooting. But into engizibuza yona ukuthi if today at this very present moment uSamke akanamoto, uSamke usahlala kibo, akusho ukuthi uMseleku udlaliwe ngomntwana. Because imagine your man is renovating his old house, is busy ngapha uthengela abanye abafazi izindlu, but when you are out there expected to give birth to your second child, ngapha uhleli ekini, ngapha awunamoto, whereas he has all the means. I mean, Sisi, it's giving red flag. It's giving red flag. I'm sorry, like, this is sad. If that's the reality, if note back, if a reality yakaSamke this year 2026 May usahlale kibo akanamoto akanandlu, you get, but she's expected to have another child ukuze uMseleku ezoprove ukuthi Samke is here for the right reason. She remembers the reason why she's here, kudlalwa ngumntwana kaKhwela. Truth be told, Makhumalo says she's not happy that she's being ambushed. And another thing is that if ubeyazi ukuthi uzomema ukuthi azobona indlu yakaMaqele, she said she wouldn't have come. And if she knew ukuthi indlu yakaMaqele, she wouldn't have eaten ukudla kwakaMaqele, because imagine udla ukudla kukamuntu kanti ngapha nikhulumisane. Because she thought to herself ukuthi, oh, maybe it's a rented villa, rented house esizoya kuwo just for today, and then we go back to our places. But ukuthola ukuthi le ndlu le engihleli kuyona yakaMaqele ngidla nokudla and bekazi enjoy azaqala nopelepele. The audacity. One thing about uMseleku, I yabona this season he outdid himself. Probably uyothola a fat check, because this season we were so glued. The drama this season was fire. Season 9, ngathi singaphinda sithole a rematch.